Hi guys, Dr. Berg here. In this short video, I want to talk about the 10 benefits of something called lactic acid. Okay, now what is lactic acid? Lactic acid is a waste product from a microbe. It's probably one of the most friendly microbes that you have living in your body right now. Okay, it's called a lactobacillus microbe. And what this lactic acid will do is it activates enzymes in your colon to help you digest. It also stabilizes blood sugars. That's why people that are diabetics do very well when they consume foods that are high in lactic acid. Also, it helps correct the pH of the colon and the entire body. Without the pH correct, you're not going to absorb minerals, you're not going to break things down, you can't activate the enzymes. So pH is very, very important. Also moving food through the body as well. Increase the digestion of food in general. So 90% of all of your digestion happens with these friendly bacteria. And if you don't have the right lactic acid or enough of that lactic acid in your colon, things don't break down, unfortunately, because they don't get activated. So it supports flora. What is flora? Flora is a friendly group of microbes living in your gut that actually give you benefit, and you support them in that you provide housing. You provide where they live. Now, number 6, immune support. So the lactic acid kills off and makes it very unfriendly for the unfriendly bacteria. So it helps defend you against unfriendly microbes. Okay? Supports leaky gut. So if you have little holes in your digestive system that are damaged, this is very, very important, healing that whole system and supporting that. So these microbes will help heal that leaky gut. Number 8, increasing metabolism in general. If you have a slow metabolism and you have poor digestion, you're not going to lose weight. So it just so happens that these microbes actually do stimulate your metabolism, which is very, very cool. I'll have people that will start to eat certain foods that help their digestion and start losing weight all the time from a digestive angle, not to stimulate the glands, but from a digestive point of view. Also, decrease unfriendly bacteria and yeast. So what happens is you have unfriendly microbes, mold, yeast, bacteria in your gut. Well, if you have enough lactic acid, you can actually counter that, and then it'll increase your mood and decrease anxiety. Why? Because there's a huge connection between the digestive system and your brain. And there's several inputs. One is neurological, which is called the enteric system, and the other is just basically your ability to digest food and turn it into neurotransmitters like acetylcholine, serotonin. A lot of the serotonin in your body is made by your gut, and that helps your mood, helps depression, anxiety. So there's a huge connection with digestion and mood. And the 3 foods that I recommend that you eat to actually start supporting this lactic acid are kimchi, which is a fermented spicy cabbage from Korea. And there's other countries also, but pickles, very, very beneficial in the lactic acid, and sauerkraut. So this is basically a very inexpensive probiotic. I think that these foods are actually much more powerful than taking a probiotic in a pill. So I would keep these in your fridge, and as much as you can, start including them in the diet, and you will start to build up the flora. Now, there is another one called kefir, but I'm going to create a separate video just on that one product, okay? All right, so if you have any digestive problems, bloating, constipation, anything going on down here, these are the foods that you want to eat and to get the benefit of the lactic acid. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Please click the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.